Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your PayPal's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To create an account in PayPal, firstly open your Google search. Type in PayPal sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, tap on sign up for free. Select your country or region and click on get started. Enter your phone number and tap on next. A confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the confirmation code. To sign up for your PayPal's account, enter your email address, your first and last name. Create a password for your account and make sure that your password must be of 8 or more characters, including letters, numbers or symbols, then click on next. Now enter your nationality, date of birth, address line, city or district, zone and postal code and then tap on agree and create account. This is how you can create an account on your PayPal quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.